Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be restoring the greenhouse. So if you didn't watch my last video, go ahead and watch it, because I'm talking about when we had some heavy winds and the wind had knocked over my greenhouse with the seedlings inside and everything, and some of them got destroyed. Some of them I was able to give them some TLC and try to bring them back to life. And so this is 2 days later after it was knocked down, and I'm trying to restore it back. I did take the cover off of the greenhouse. The wind didn't blow the cover off the greenhouse. I took that off on that day because the wind kept, I put the greenhouse back up, put the bricks down at the bottom, but the wind kept knocking it down. So I took the cover off because that helped the frame to stay up, if you kind of get what I'm saying. The wind didn't really have anything to push down, so that helped it for the rest of that day and the night to stay on up. But like I said, in this video I'm just restoring the greenhouse, putting the frame back together, and I will be putting the cover back on and try to put my seedlings back inside. This seedling tray that you see me have, and I'm pouring all that water out, that is from, that tray was left outside. I took the rest of the seedlings inside, but that is the only tray that was left outside, and it was completely full of rainwater, and I didn't think that those seedlings would survive. But update on those, they're looking well. But yeah, it was full of water. These are the places that the frame came loose at when it had got knocked down. It did bend a pole at the bottom of the base, but I was able to bend it back. I did that off camera. But yeah, these are the areas that came loose, and I will be just putting them back in place. this is the greenhouse back restored. I put the 4 bricks back and on the base. This one right there too. And I just set these out here for now. I haven't put the rest of them out here yet, but I do want to get 2 T-posts to put them beside the greenhouse and tie a rope up to it to latch on to the greenhouse. Put 2 T-posts, one right here, and then I would like to put one along here, and like I said, tie a rope or something to the T-posts in the greenhouse, so that'll be extra security for it. But it's back up.